Diabetes is a condition that affects millions globally, including around 11% of the American population. Managing diabetes requires maintaining a careful balance of diet, exercise, and lifestyle. For diabetics, one of the most significant dietary concerns involves choosing the right fruits. While fruits are essential for a balanced diet, some contain high levels of natural sugars that can spike blood sugar levels. This video explores the best and worst fruits for diabetics to help maintain optimal blood sugar control. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are frequently referred to as superfoods due to their dense nutrient profile. These small, tiny berries are packed with vitamins C and K, manganese, and an impressive array of antioxidants that combat oxidative stress. For diabetics, blueberries are particularly valuable because they contain anthocyanins, compounds that have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Regular consumption of blueberries, such as adding them to breakfast cereals or blending them into smoothies, can support blood sugar regulation. With a glycemic index of 53, blueberries help prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar, making them a beneficial fruit to incorporate into a diabetic-friendly diet. Number 2. Peaches. Peaches, often associated with the warm summer months, are not only delicious but also nutritious. They are low in calories, averaging around 60 calories for a medium-sized peach, and high in fiber, vitamins A and C, and potassium. The combination of these nutrients helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, supports heart health, and aids in digestion. Peaches are also rich in polyphenols, plant compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties and can improve metabolic health. Whether eaten fresh, added to a salad, or blended into a smoothie, peaches can satisfy sweet cravings in a healthy way for diabetics while promoting overall wellness. Number 3. Apricots. Apricots are another excellent fruit for people with diabetes due to their low glycemic load and rich nutrient profile. One fresh apricot contains only 17 calories and provides a good amount of vitamin A, an antioxidant that supports eye health. Additionally, apricots contain potassium, copper, and manganese, which are essential for metabolic processes and cellular function. The fiber in apricots aids in blood sugar control by slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, which leads to a more gradual release of glucose. For a nutritious diabetic-friendly snack, try pairing thinly sliced apricots with whole grain toast and peanut butter for sustained energy and blood sugar balance. Number 4. Apples. The well-known saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," holds particular relevance for diabetics. Although apples do contain carbohydrates, their high fiber content, averaging about 4 grams per medium apple, helps moderate the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream. This fiber also promotes digestive health and can contribute to a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management, which is crucial for controlling diabetes. Apples are also a rich source of polyphenols, which have been shown to decrease blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Whether eaten raw, sliced with almond butter, or baked with cinnamon, apples are a versatile and health-promoting choice for diabetics. Number 5. Oranges. Oranges are widely celebrated for their high vitamin C content, which boosts immunity and supports skin health. However, they also provide significant amounts of fiber, vitamin A, and folate, which contribute to metabolic health and blood sugar control. Oranges have a low GI of 40 to 45, making them a safe option for diabetics when consumed in whole form. The soluble fiber in oranges aids in slowing the release of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar. Additionally, the potassium content in oranges can help regulate blood pressure, which is a common concern for people managing diabetes. To maximize these benefits, it's better to eat whole oranges rather than drink orange juice, which lacks fiber and can have a higher glycemic impact. Number 6. Kiwi. Kiwi is a nutrient-dense fruit that offers significant benefits for individuals with diabetes. Rich in vitamins C, E, and K, as well as folate and fiber, kiwis are excellent for supporting immune health and digestion. The GI of kiwi is 53, placing it in the lower range of the glycemic index and making it a safe fruit choice for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. The high fiber content slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, aiding in the prevention of blood sugar spikes. Furthermore, kiwi contains bioactive compounds that have been found to support cardiovascular health and reduce inflammation, which is especially important for diabetics who are at higher risk of heart disease. Number 7. Pears. Pears are not only tasty but also highly beneficial for diabetics. With a GI of 38 to 42, pears contribute to maintaining steady blood glucose levels and preventing sudden spikes. A medium-sized pear contains around 6 grams of fiber, which supports digestive health and promotes satiety. Pears are also rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. To get the maximum benefit, it is recommended to eat pears with their skin on, as the skin contains most of the fruit's fiber and nutrients. Incorporating pears into meals or enjoying them as a snack can be a satisfying way to maintain a balanced diet. Number 8. Cherries. Cherries are often underrated when it comes to their health benefits, especially for diabetics. 1 cup of cherries provides around 52 calories and approximately 12 grams of carbs. They are packed with antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which are known to help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. Additionally, cherries contain melatonin, a hormone that promotes restful sleep, which is essential for overall health and diabetes management. With their low GI of 22, cherries release glucose slowly into the bloodstream, making them a diabetes-friendly snack. Including cherries in your diet can also support heart health, which is crucial for diabetics. Number 9. Strawberries. Strawberries are not only a delicious and refreshing fruit, but also a highly nutritious option for diabetics. A single cup of strawberries provides more vitamin C than an orange and has a low GI of around 41. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in strawberries help combat inflammation and boost immune health. The high fiber content aids in slowing down the absorption of sugars, making them an ideal snack or addition to meals for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Berries in general, such as blackberries and blueberries, are excellent for satisfying sweet cravings while supporting overall health and reducing oxidative stress. The worst fruits for diabetics. Number 1. Pineapple. Despite being packed with vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants, pineapples are high on the GI scale. This means they can lead to sharp increases in blood sugar levels when consumed in excess. If you love pineapples, consider pairing them with foods low in carbohydrates to balance out the sugar intake. Number 2. Mango. Known as the king of fruits, mangoes are rich in essential vitamins and minerals. However, they are also high in natural sugars and carbs, making them less ideal for diabetics. If you choose to eat mangoes, opt for firmer varieties and limit portion sizes to keep blood sugar levels in check. Number 3. Watermelon. Watermelons are hydrating and rich in vitamins A, B, and C, along with minerals like magnesium. However, they have a GI of 72, which can cause a quick rise in blood sugar levels. For diabetics, moderation is key, and it may be best to limit watermelon consumption or combine it with protein or fiber-rich foods. Number 4. Bananas. Bananas are a popular breakfast option and provide sustained energy. Unfortunately, they are also high in carbs and sugar. A medium-sized banana contains about 14 grams of sugar, which can lead to increased blood sugar levels. Diabetics should consume bananas in moderation or choose smaller portions. Number 5. Grapes. Grapes are known for their vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber content, which support immune health and brain function. However, a cup of grapes contains around 23 grams of sugar, which can be problematic for those with diabetes. Popping a few may seem harmless, but they can quickly add up and cause blood sugar spikes. Number 6. Raisins. Raisins, while considered a nutritious snack, are dried and concentrated with sugar. Even though they are low in calories and have some fiber, their high sugar content can lead to blood sugar spikes. If you enjoy raisins, consume them in small amounts and pair them with protein or fat for better blood sugar management. Number 7. Lychees. Lychees are rich in vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, contributing to various health benefits. However, their high sugar content makes them unsuitable for people with diabetes. Each lychee contains approximately 29 grams of sugar, making them risky for maintaining stable blood glucose levels. Number 8. Dates. Dates have become a popular natural sweetener and are often used in healthy snacks like granola bars. While they provide fiber and antioxidants, dates are highly concentrated in sugar and calories. Just 1/4 cup of dates has around 100 calories. Diabetics should be cautious with portion sizes or consider avoiding them altogether. Thanks for watching. We hope this video on the best and worst fruits for diabetics has been helpful in your journey to better health. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.